So I'm going to show you how to make one of these. Goes on like this, and it makes you way better. Like, you can see the difference compared to how high it makes it. And it's just
all you want is just anything with the top, like a glue top like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna use Elmer's glue. And you just want this piece. This piece. Because if you have this piece fits on like that already. But that's not. When you do that, it's like too tall and just not really good. So then, then you want to cut this like to a good size. About this size is good. Yeah, about that size. Alright, so I wanted some thick paper. So I got like this. I haven't been here in like 3 years, but I'm just gonna use this kind of paper. And so this is like, I'm gonna cut these into squares so I can fit them in there. Alright, and I'm back. So you just want it to, like, you want to fill it up to like about right here. And then what you want is, I mean, you could probably like, well, I'm just gonna use a dime for this, but so you could probably use something else other than a dime. So I'm gonna put the dime like right there and like push it down and like just make it flat. Yeah, just make it flat. Alright, it's flat. And so after that, so at a good size right now. And that makes this better. But we're still not done. We have one more thing. Alright, so the last thing that you need is like just double-sided tape. It doesn't have to be double-sided tape, but just some like something sticky. Okay, so I already cut the double-sided tape. You just want to cut it inside of a square and then stick it on the dime. And you're pretty much done. You can decorate it like this one. I mean, it looks pretty cool to me. And then just stick it right on either the left one or, yeah, the right one. Usually the right one is better. I play Claw on Fortnite. Alright. I mean, you can make it like a little bit larger. Like if you add more dimes into it and more like paper, you can make it better than this. But so that's all for the video. Thank you for watching and bye.